Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to see you guys here. So anyways, as you guys can see already in the title, it's gonna be another clothing haul, but not just a typical clothing haul. It is from the Djerf Avenue. Djerf or the Djerf, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing their name brand right or the brand right, but anyways, I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces that I got. I already showed some pieces on my previous vlog, but I got another package last week that I want to like show you guys. And also I was expecting another package. It says it's gonna arrive yesterday, but for some reason it was delayed, so I'm gonna just film another haul, which is gonna be like next week. So anyways, I'm excited to show you guys what I got here. I'm already wearing their sugar mini top in white. They do have two colors, white and black, and of course I got the color white. Also, all the clothing that I will be mentioning in today's video will be on my description box below, and also about like their website, about the Djerf and everything. I'm gonna put that on my on the description box below. Okay, first things first, here is the Breezy white shirt, and if you guys know me by now, I have been trying to find a perfect button-up shirt, and this one right here is freaking amazing. I believe I got the size medium right here. This is their Breezy white shirt. It has a pocket here. It honestly fits so freaking good. It's the perfect oversized. It's not too oversized, and it's not too small for me. I was gonna get the size large, but I was measuring myself. Just make sure you measure yourself and you know what size you get, because they are true to size. I'm honestly glad that I got the white button-up shirt, because it's gonna be a staple piece. It's not just some seasonal like trendy piece. White button-up shirt or even black or any button-up is gonna be a staple piece, especially like white. You can literally dress this up, dress this down, office, like wherever, whatever you need. Like, you have to have a white button-up shirt. And this one, they have like a pocket in here and the side, and they have their embroidered logo here, and it's just so the quality of the material is freaking amazing. I have a another button up, but that one was very see-through, so I really try to look and invest for a good white button up, and thank God I found this brand and also this white button up right here. And also in the back they have this like slit here, right about here, so there's slit in the back, which is good because sometimes I like to tuck them in and kind of like style them like half tuck. I don't know if that's like the right word. So yeah, I like to style them in, like, you know, tucking them in like just half of it, and just, you know, like I said, you can literally dress this up or dress this down. I freaking love this white button-up t-shirt, and I'm also gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put all the clothing that I mentioned in today's video on my description box below, so you guys can definitely check them out. For size preference, I am 5'1", and this is the size medium. Okay, so the next one, I already wore this as well. So this is their sugar tube top in white. They also have this in black and I believe purple or like lavender color. So I also got the size, for this one I got the size large, and this is what it looks like. Just pretty plain white tube top. This is elastic edge with a silicone tape on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, and they have their logo and their their brand there. Like I said, this is the size large. I freaking love this. It's also one of that staple piece that you have to have in your closet. I am planning on getting the black one because black, you can literally pair it with everything. So as the white one. Okay, so the next one we have here is their everyday tank top. This one I freaking love as well. It is, you gotta have, like I said, you gotta have the basic pieces in your, you know, closet right now, because if you don't have the basic pieces to begin with, then you're just gonna like, oh, I don't have nothing to wear, because you don't have the basic pieces. You have to have, I learned this the hard way, you have to have a basic staple piece. So yeah, this is their everyday tank top, and I got the size medium right here, and this is rib. I got the size medium. The quality of this is amazing as well. You can dress this down, like I said, dress this up. All the pieces that I will be showing you right now is like versatile, like you can dress this up or dress this down. Okay, so I'm excited for this one because I got this is new to their website, by the way. The one that I showed, the 3 whites, the everyday tank top and the breezy white, they have that since like what, 2019 or 2020. But this one is their new dress in their website. They have the berry one, which is like the colorful printed one, but I just got the black one because I can see myself dressing this and using this on like, not like in a daily, but like I can dress this up and also dress this down. I actually wore this when my friend and I went to the museum, and I also paired this with the white button up, the breezy white button up. So anyways, this is the dress look like. I'm gonna like show you guys the close up, and yeah, it's just like a mini, I would say like a mini length. And hold on, it's the same as the tube top. They have this like edges and like silicone inside, so they don't like roll, and it fits really good. By the way, I got the size large for this one right here, and it just fits perfectly. Like you gotta have a decent or like at least a black dress in your closet right now. Okay, I'm so excited for this. This arrived last week, and this is their black breezy shorts. I finally got my hands on these shorts. I have been eyeing the shorts, and they have been like sold out for a while now, and thank God they restocked, I think like 2 weeks ago. So this is the size large, by the way, and I freaking love the quality of the shorts. Is amazing. There's 2 pockets on each side, and there's also like this like fake pocket on the back, and it's very stretchy, and they have this like little slits on the side as well, and their logo embroidered on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but about right there. Okay, so this one is 100% certified organic cotton from Turkey, and which is I love, because I really don't have any like a regular shorts like these. I have like a lot of like denim shorts from Levi's and from other brands, but not like these kind of shorts. So good to have basic black shorts like these. All right, so the next one we got here is this blue breezy shorts. It is the same as the black one. They have 2 pockets on each side, the fake pocket in the back, and they have slits on each side, and also their logo right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm so excited to, you know, wear this and also pair this with my other Djerf, you know, tank top or like my tube top. I'm freaking excited about this, and it's very stretchy. And yes, so this is the short. Last but not the least is this blue breezy shirt. I mean, look at her, she's amazing. So this is like the same as the white shirt, but this is a blue one, and then also the same size. I got the size medium. Same with the white one. They have like a slit in the back, and the quality is just amazing. I cannot wait to style this together with like my blue with this blue breezy short, with this sugar mini top, or like my tube top. Like I said, you can dress this up, you can dress this down, like whatever you desire or whatever you're feeling. So summertime, I am planning on honestly like wearing this like summertime. You're gonna see me wearing this or the white one all summertime long, because like you can wear this as a cover up, you can wear this as a, you know, like business casual, or you know, like dress this up or dress this down. This is also like a must-have on like your closet right now, or your like wardrobe right now. So this is honestly a good staple piece as well. I feel like all the Djerf item is a good staple piece. Like all their stuff is just a good staple piece. I'm still eyeing on their favorite pants, which is I'm like about to purchase them right now, because I have been eyeing on that one. I just want to make sure that I got the right size, because mostly with pants I don't trust myself ordering them online, because they run small or they run too big for me. So I just gotta make sure I measure myself before going to their website and just look for their size guide, because I'm so scared to like order small or order the large one, because pants is just so tricky. To me it's so tricky. That's why I love ordering them or like buying them to the store, but they don't have a store here, so I gotta buy them online. And I just hate returning, you know, like pieces. I just like the hassle of just returning them. It's just kind of like a lot for me. But anyways, let's just I'm gonna like try this on so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, so this is the top, the sugar mini top, and the black breezy short together. So freaking cute. I can literally like wear this out right now because it's so freaking hot. So yeah, this is so cute together. And you can also pair it with the breezy white top, which is I'm planning on wearing it and also like styling it. So like I said, you can style this up or you can like style this down. Black short is perfect. You gotta have a perfect black short, and this is mine. Freaking cute. I love it. It's very airy, it's not too hot, and also this top as well. And I think I'm gonna get the one with the black one, so I just have two together, which is so freaking cute. It's the tube top together with the black breezy shorts. You can also I can also pair this with the blue breezy short as well, but the black and white is just the combo of like the black and white is just amazing. You can wear this with, you know, like with my Prada bag and as is, or I can, you know, put it with like my white breezy shirt, or I can also put this together with my white breezy shirt, and it's just very like casual. I mean, look at that, so casual. And with my Prada bag, so freaking cute together. Or like this, you can also like button this up and do like a half how do you call this, like half tuck. So freaking cute. And of course you can accessorize, like you can put like your accessories, and then so this is like more of like a casual like day, like brunch, you know, like day out. And you can also do the pair top with like night out, like a high-waisted like mom jeans or like high-waisted skirt, whatever you desire. Okay, this is the tube black dress. It is so freaking perfect. It's literally like a glove, like if it's like a glove, it's so hugging. And like I wore this like a night out, and you can also, like I said, this you can style this up or you can style this down. Super cute. Like I said, height size large, and then height reference 5'1". So freaking cute. And the quality of this dress is just so hugging. I love the elastic and silicone in this dress. It's just perfect. Okay, so this is the everyday tank top, the blue breezy short, I mean the short and the blue breezy top. So cute together as well. You can literally just wear this together if it's so hot outside, or if it's like a little cool, you can of course pair it with the blue breezy shirt as well. Like I said, you can dress this up or you can dress this down. This is, I'm just showing you guys how it look like together on me, especially on my size. Yeah, really love this. I have to wear a bra just because I don't want you guys to see all of, you know, my babies in the camera. But yeah, super cute. I love this right here. Like I love the cut, it's so perfect. And yeah, it's super cute together with this one, with your bag. Or I think I'm planning to just like wear this today, this together, or maybe like the sugar mini top. So freaking cute. And it's a rib right there. The last but not the least, I forgot to show you guys, this one is their tote bag. I am in love with this tote bag. It's a perfect tote bag, like the size, the length, it's just amazing. I tend to use this tote bag every time I go to the beach or pool with my friends. It fits the my towel, sunscreen, my bikinis in here, like water bottles, phone, like, you know, just the essential. It is freaking amazing. I actually still have like my my sunscreens in here. And yeah, so this is the tote bag, which is super cheap, by the way. This is only like $29. It's only one size, and it has like this little cute pocket on the inside. Little cute pocket on the inside. Right now it's out of stock, but if it's gonna be in stock, make sure to grab one of these, because it's a perfect summer not just for summer, it's just a perfect tote bag. And I love the design and I mean their logo in front is so freaking cute. So that is it for today's clothing haul, besties. I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you made this far, I mean, sis, might as well, because you watched the whole freaking thing. And like I said, I'm gonna put all the clothing links, I mean the link on my description box below if you guys are interested on any of the clothing that I showed you guys in today's video. So yes, I will see you soon on my vlog or another video. Bye.